Hello, welcome to our database project. We used Python and MySQL to create this project. As you can see here, we used the MySQL connector. We connected to our server, which is right over here. And our database was a tutor-student matching system where tutors and students can sign up. Tutors can add time slots. Students can pick those time slots and sign up for tutoring. So we have four main tables, which is the tutor table, student table, this tutor student table, which holds all the pairings of tutors and students. And then we have an availability table, which holds all the available time slots for tutors. So here's a little bit of our code. As you can see, like here, we have a lot of inputs, and then we use the cursor to execute SQL commands, such as this insert into, or such as this select budget from. And then we can iterate to get our desired results. So yeah, a lot of code. So let's go through the walkthrough. So let's say we are a tutor and we want to register into the system. So I'm going to type in T. This is what our prompt tells us. T for tutor. If you are an existing tutor, please type T into the console, or if you would like to register as a tutor, please type in R. So I'm going to type in R. So right here, to ask for your teaching ID, we're assuming everyone has a unique ID. So for teaching ID, let's say it is 37. Type in your name. Let's say my name is Trent. Type in your email. This can be pretty arbitrary. Type in your hourly cost. Let's say we cost $20 an hour. Please type in whether you are an online tutor or an offline tutor. Let's say I'm online. And please type in the subject you're capable of tutoring for. Let's say computer science. So as you can see, this registered this view as a tutor. And if we go to MySQL, we can select star from tutor. And we said our tutor ID was 37. As you can see at line 37, we are here, Trent. $20 an hour, computer science, and we're online. So glad that worked. So let's say you want to add time slots for students to sign up for. So it brings you back to this screen, welcome tutor, type in your tutor ID, which we said was 37. If you would like to add time slots to your schedule, please type add. One thing I want to do real quick is just refresh this. And please type in the type of day of the week you would like to tutor. Let's say we want to tutor on Thursday. Please put in the time, let's say 11. Time slot added. So we can go back to this MySQL, select star from availability. And as you can see, we are tutor ID number 37. It shows us Thursday, time of at 11, and we're not filled. So this will only fill up when a student signs up. So just something to note is that this table right here can have multiple values, or tutors can have multiple time slots. As you can see with this tutor ID number 2, it has 2 time slots, one on Friday, one on Wednesday. Just wanted to point that out. So let's say we are a student and we want to sign up for that tutor. Let me just refresh this. So I'm going to hit run. So first, let's say we are a new student. So we need to register for this database, register, fill out all the prompts. Please type in your student ID to register. Let's say it's 543. Type in your name. Let's say it's Bobby. Email, again, this is arbitrary. Type in your budget. Let's say our budget is $50 an hour. Our year in school, let's say we're a senior. Type your preference of offline or online. I'm gonna do online. And we are in the database, so we can check in from the MySQL. Select star from student. And we were student ID number 543, and here we are, Bobby, and it has all of our information. Online, our budget of 50, school year 4, and student ID 543. Let's go back here. So now let's sign up for tutoring. So let's type in our student ID, which we said was 543. And I want to see the available tutors for our desire. So let's type in view. The subject we need tutoring for, let's say computer science. So as you can see, we have 5 teachers to choose from. And one thing I want to note is that each of the teachers' cost is less than our budget, or less than or equal to, because that's the tutors we can afford. And it shows their ID, name, email, their cost, and what day of the week they're available, and at what time. So as you can see, our previously made tutor Trent showed up. So let's sign up for Trent. So it says if you would like to sign up for one of these tutors, type add. So I'm going to type add. Please type in the ID of the tutor you'd like to sign up for. We can see right there it's 37. The day they're available, which is Thursday. The time they're available, which is 11. And the subject, which we needed help with computer science. And congrats, we have signed up for this tutor. So we can go back to MySQL, select star from tutor students. And as you can see, tutor ID number 37 and my student ID number 543, we are paired and added to this table for help with computer science on Thursdays at 11. So that is what our code is able to do. And one thing I want to point out is that if we were to look through this again, same info, I'm a student, I've already registered, so type S, my student ID is 543, view available tutors for computer science. Notice how I only have 4 teachers to choose from now because that teacher was filled up, and we could look back at here, select star from availability. We can see for tutor number 37, that time slot has been filled, so it's marked with a 1 so that it doesn't appear in this query. So now let's say I have a higher budget this time and I can afford basically higher paid tutors. So I'm actually going to exit here. And the student is able to edit their profile. So let's say I'm a student. I've already registered. My student ID is 543. And this time I want to edit. So I type in edit. And what would you like to edit in your profile? I want to edit my budget. So I edit my budget. What would you like to change it to? Let's say I'm rich. 120. My profile has been edited. We can look back here, select star from student, and to make it simple, where student ID is equal to, what we say it was, 543. As you can see here, my budget did change to 120. So I can go back, run it again, and this time, let's take a look at the view, or at what tutors are available for us using the same info, except a different budget. As you can see, we now have 5 teachers instead of 4. Dansby Swanson came in. He cost $80, which at first we weren't able to afford, but now we are, since our budget is higher. So I thought that was something that's pretty cool to see. So I'll just exit right here. Just take a quick. And so now I want to show that that tutor is able to see that new student. So let's say we're that tutor again, Trent. Is that the one we signed up for? I think it was Trent. So tutor, we already registered. My student ID is 37. And we can view the students that we tutor, hit view. And as you can see, student ID number 543 is the student I have. So that is 1 total student. And now the cool thing is I can see the sales from all the students I tutor. So I can do sales. And it's only 1 student and I only cost $20. So it's only $20 a week. So, but if for another tutor, such as, let's say, you can see tutor number 2 has 2 students that they tutor, so they should have more money. So let's see how much they cost. Tutor number 2 costs $25. So with 2 students, that should be $50 a week. So let's see if that works. So I'm a tutor. I'm already registered. My ID is 2. And I want to view the students that I teach or tutor. And as you can see, there's 2 students here. And I want to type in sales, see my weekly income from all my students. So as we said, it was $25 an hour. You're teaching 2 students. Your total weekly income is $50 a week. And that is the basis of our database system right here. There's definitely more little things you can go through, but not enough to fit in a 10-minute video. So here's all our code. You can check it out on GitHub. And yeah, thank you very much, and I hope you have a good break.